Thomas Day out, just the people I wanted to meet. Of course, this is the day out you're doing Formula 1.
Team Mercedes,
Bahrain, of course.
season, Ferrari.
Team Hamilton all the way.
Always.
Our bank accounts couldn't allow us to go all the way to Bahrain, but we're here, the next best thing, closest to it. Of course, we're here at Choices Baricho Road, home of Formula 1.
Yeah.
Sponsored, of course, by Shell V-Power. These are the boys you need to hang out with. But of course we're here at the next best thing at Choices, Baricho Road.
Awesome event.
Home of Formula 1.
You know the thing that's impressive is how many people are out here with their Ferraris, but actually genuine fans.
People actually kitted out.
It's not like we're just genuine fanboys, but no, the guys are actually fans.
I saw someone with Ferrari shoes. How gangster is
How you like me now? Even I listened to this. Quick prediction for the race.
I think Hamilton,
What is the podium look like?
Hamilton on pole. I think he has what it takes to go all the way. My personal opinion.
And then the other two.
Well, Hamilton, Nico and Sebastian.
Yeah, I'm not faith in Ferrari.
No, I mean, it's not that I don't have faith in your Ferrari, it's I have more faith in my Mercedes. That's how it is.
So I'm going with Vettel, Nico. No. Lewis. And Raikkonen without Ferrari. Yes.
You think he'll sneak in?
Ferrari all day, every day. I love Red Jersey. I said Ferrari, it's all about Red Jersey.
Well, there you have it. My predictions, I think it's Hamilton, Nico and Vettel. He's calling an upset,
I'm calling Vettel, Lewis, and then Raikkonen.
No space for Nico?
No.
So this is Team Ferrari Battalion.
Yes.
And
Scudetto Ferrari.
you know, just as Jazz was filling in his predictions, that's when Vettel did a Vettel. He but good drive by Kimi. Good drive by Kimi.
He's a champion.
Okay, Team Ferrari, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm disappointed that Vettel didn't even start the race. That I'm completely disappointed. But what I'm happy about is that Raikkonen actually performed better than expected.
Yes.
That I'm happy about.
I agree too. The good thing about this is a marathon. So we have
It's not a sprint.
it's not a sprint yet. We have to wait till China. Hopefully we'll have a better car for Vettel and a better positioning. Now he's now 14th or 15th. Now in the log, it's going to be a struggle coming up.
But it's all good. It's all good. Like you said, it's a marathon. Next one in China, we'll be looking forward to it. Mr. Fahad.
Well, I'm also disappointed, but we all knew from the start of the season that Ferrari has a new engine and it was going to be a bit difficult. We saw it in the last race, but Raikkonen did well, and also I'm so proud of Martin Grosjean.
Yeah. He had an awesome race.
Really well, 5th I think. Yeah, so good. That's a good start to the season. Yeah. So well done to Rosberg for a back-to-back win. At least this time he's not going to apologize to Hamilton for anything. So yeah.
Iceman.
Of course, Benchwarm was out on the road. Come here. Benchwarm was out on the road.
Yes.
This was the Formula 1 edition.
Yes.
Straight from Bahrain. Of course, we're here at Choices Baricha Road.
Home of F1.
Home of F1. And in sponsorship with the team Shell Viva. Of course, today's event sponsored by Renault. Stay tuned for more Benchwarmers. And we outie.